Right. Okay. Got this job here. Handles come off. Don't know whether it's ripped off or whatever. Just got to replace. So what I'm doing is I'm going to replace the inside handle only, because it's a block of flats. I've got loads of keys out. So by doing it this way, it saves the money. And I think everyone's all about saving money at the moment. So let's have a look. Okay, cinder's not going to get used. The only bit that's going to get used is this. Oh, it is a double locking one, so I have to set it up so it doesn't double lock. Yeah, double lock. Let's have a look. That's how they've sealed this. Okay. Why would you do that? Well, so because they've sealed it, what I'll do is fit this. Okay, that was this. My bad. This is to stop it from double locking. Clever. Yeah, so that screw stops from doing the full turn. Clever, clever. Let's have time. Right. We've got to remove all this. That screw didn't even look like it was connected to anything. Don't think it is. That is just so small. And no thread on it. That's pretty pointless. And look, it's going down the side. Wasn't even going in the cylinder. So let's make sure this is going in. Indeed that is. And indeed that one is. No, so it's going to be that. Not going to get filled in. Always important to put those screws in. And now he's a bit better than the L89s, sorry 85s, because the L85's got a really shallow latch. So originally I was going to put one on, and then I thought about how shallow the latch is. I think aesthetically this looks a bit more pleasing. I just loosen that off so I can get this other screw in. Come on. There we go. Isn't that a little nicer? This must be sharp in the back. Let's put that up there. That's a bit loose. Let me just tighten that up while we're here. That's it. Okay, that's it. Job done. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And oh, a little wonky. That's it. And I'll catch you on the next one.